Hi everyone, I am Gabriel, Samra, Sutra's Global Ambassador, and I'm here today to teach you how to create this beautiful, iconic Cindy Crawford look. Well, volume is the key word for this look, and volume is what we're going to get by blow drying the hair. So basically, we need some mousse to create that volume, and that will create an impact when you blow dry the hair. With your fingers, you go through the hair, basically from the roots, and then all massaging the hair all the way out. This prepping section is so important. For me, it's the most important part, and that's why I focus the most using a blow dryer like the Sutra one with the infrared technology. It will definitely help you achieve that dry scalp, perfect dry scalp on the inside. So basically, using a brush, pointing out like this, and then creating a volume all the way out. And you can notice if I just leave the brush and the hair, I already created volume. What I really love about the infrared blow dryer is that actually improve the new hair growth. Actually, that improvement makes it strong, healthy, and shiny at the same time. So first we'll start on the crown, the main section, which is whatever frames your face. And that's what we need to be focusing on, because that's basically what, makes the actual look. And then you style it whatever you want it. You want it to the side or the middle or just all the way back. We're going to do today, a way back, all clean face, beautiful volume hair. We're going to grab an 1.5 inch section every time we're gonna work on each section. And then obviously before we do any heat on the hair, we need to protect it. And then we're gonna spread a little bit of the heat protector spray and kind of smooth it out a little bit. We're going to grab the 35mm curling iron, and we're gonna work first putting some heat on the roots to create that extra volume like this, smoothing the roots out like that, and then we're gonna curl it from the roots, and we're gonna just hang out with all the barrel all around to the ends like this, and we're going to wait about 5 to 8 to 10 seconds. After you're done, you just grab the hair, don't let it go, very important, and now you just make sure that the hair stays there, and you just have to pin it. Now I'm gonna keep doing the same thing from the back. I'm gonna start working on the neck area, and then crown, and then the sides, and then the top area. Well, every time I do lives on my social media, everybody asks me all the time, Gabriel, what are those red lights that you have in your curling iron? Well, this is the technology that Sutra offers to everybody who buys this product. Basically, that infrared technology helps you to kind of control the temperature of the curling iron. And then when you're working on your hair, it's the same technology that we just applied on the blow dryer. It works from the inside and out, keeping you healthy, strong hair and shiny hair. And at the same time, if you're using this curling iron yourself at home, you're gonna be safe. Your hair is not gonna break and it's not gonna be damaged. So that's why I always, keep saying about the infrared technology. I just love it. After applying some flexible hold hairspray, we're gonna let the curls loose. And then we're gonna start creating some volume and get some action on this iconic look. I don't know if you noticed, but all the framing area, I didn't elevate the hair to a 90 degrees. I did it the way it falls naturally. And then in the inside of the head, I created an elevation of 90 degrees, and then I teased down the roots so I can create more volume. That basically will help me to create a smoother look around the face. And that's very important for you to know. That's one of the techniques that we always apply when we create volume looks like this. With all those 3 sections, you're gonna be done. A little bit of hairspray, just to finish that look. And then after this, we smooth it out and we create this iconic look we've been dreaming of. A flexible hold hairspray and a serum like this will give you the ingredient that you need to smooth it out without losing its natural volume that you just created. So basically, working around like that, smoothing it out, and just creating that look that you want to have, that's on your call. And this is the final result we have got here on this look inspired by Cindy Crawford Iconic Blowout. I want to see all of you recreating this look. And I want you to tag Sutra Beauty, and I want you to use hashtag Sutra Icon. I personally want to see your job. I personally want to see your creation. And I personally want to comment on that picture.